everyone, today I'm going to show you how to test your remote control and see if it's functioning properly using a digital camera phone, or an AM radio. So first I'm going to show you how to test your remote using a digital camera phone. And here I have a Samsung Magnet. So go ahead and turn your phone onto its camera mode. Then you're going to take your remote control and point the sensor on the remote control directly towards the lens of the camera and begin pressing buttons. And as you can see, the light is flashing. That means that the button you're pressing is functioning properly. And I would recommend going through and pressing every button on the remote control to ensure that the entire remote control is functioning properly. Okay, so another way to check your remote is using an AM radio. So go ahead and turn your radio to an AM station that has only or anyone talking in the background. Go ahead and take the remote and point the lens of the remote directly at the speaker of the radio and begin pressing buttons. Hear that beeping noise? That means that the buttons are functioning properly. And again, as with the camera test, I recommend that you go through and press every button to make sure that the entire remote is functioning properly. So if you're still having a problem with your remote after performing these tests, don't worry, our friend go ahead and contact them at the number below. Or if you need to purchase a new remote, maybe you lost it or it's not working properly, you can do so on our website, also listed below. Bye-bye.